Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a look at the Porsche 911 Turbo 3.3 from 1988, made by Kyosho at the 143 scale. This is a metallic model and has an opening hood and engine cover. This is very impressive, being a 143 scale model. Let's take a closer look. This is an older generation Kyosho models, and looks absolutely fabulous. I really love the emblem there on the front. Very nice details. Also the paint looks quite good. We have the turbo logo there. Also the stoplight looks pretty nice as well. And what you don't see every day at a 143 scale model, we have openings, so pretty nice. It really looks nice, and it's very delicate. And also we have in the back quite a few details. Please tell me in the comments if you have this model. I think it's one. It looks very nice, and it's quite impressive. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.